my fucking... Oh my god. How many freaking technical difficulties are we gonna have to deal with today? I guess OBS had an update or something. There we go. Welcome back. Do apologize about that. Oh my god, OBS is just fucking me in the ass today. Oh, that's gonna get triggered. I can't rearrange my stupid little... Whatever. Okay. Alright, we're back. Stupid ace, 7 ace. Welcome back to the stream. I do apologize. My OBS logged me out mid-stream. It's frustrating. So, for those of you who are just getting with us, I should probably rename the original. Proving a point or something. But, we're back. We're making last year carbon. And I'm hemming and hawing right now about how to deal with I'm figuring out how to do awards cards at the moment. And I'm stuck a little bit between, like, I need to add them to some sort of stack. So I believe if I look at my player, active contracts and awards. Should probably be two different arrays. One active contracts, one active awards. But realistically, we play them left to right in order of play, and they trigger one after the other. It's fine. So that means on the timeline, summit. This is where this needs to happen. So I reset everyone's energy and I put their donations in the proper places. There's a lot happening here in the summit, actually. So right here, evaluate all players' active contracts and awards. Need some kind of pause. Split up. Well, this is kind of annoying, but I need to send to the player some way of saying, ugh. Does it make sense for this all to be on? This might make more sense to all be on one line for now. I go to the front end. Header. Yeah, this is split in two. I think that's better for now. Yeah. Okay, I'm not a graphic designer. Yeah, that's better though. So in my turn, goes back to player one. There is a noticeable stutter now because every single time you're pinging the database. So realistically, like in a high volume scenario, we would keep the game state in some sort of Redis, some sort of memory cache, so it only hits the database essentially when it's updated, so that if there's any pauses in gameplay, you can resume where you're at. But so for the control flow of the game, it would be really nice to words are tough, especially when jungle music playing in the background. Is there like a lo-fi jungle mix? Ooh. Look at this abstract bull. That's funny. So what was I saying? I need oh, first things first. I play a card. It's an award. I need to add that card ID. So. Turn order, if I recall correctly. Yeah. This is the thing that will tell us if we iterate through this array. So this will give me 0, 1, 2, 3, or state of mind of T. I need like a evaluate contracts and awards. Got cool. So I have the array. This will be its own function. We'll just make it inline for now, and then we'll break it out when it proves to be too cumbersome. Okay, I can contract awards. TypeScript. Set I equals 0. I is less than. Card is due. What this says is if I evaluate the card, it's due, and I activate the trigger, then I remove the card from the hand. Otherwise, go to the next card. Alright, players with the highest carbon footprint lose one factory. No one has a carbon footprint in their footprint, so no one loses a factory. See active contract and awards. So I guess this is the modal that we want to pop up next, right here. And it will display all contracts and awards like our hand. So it's going to be very similar to the hand, so we'll use that as our baseline. But I want to be able to pay for awards now and add them to the active contract awards. So we'll say that first on my to-do list. So play award for cost. I want to add award to active array. Real simple, do that first. And so that's going to happen in the front end first. I click play card, so that's already taken care of. I then need to go to my play card socket function. And pay for action, play card by ID. Here, if per card, so get card from spring, summer, fall, winter. They all have the dot type here, so I can say if card dot type is equal to award, then I piece state dot seasonal card meta. See, this is where it gets a little hairy. Seasonal card meta is what's used via how do I show cards on the front end? Sorry, let's just say pstate dot. And I want to return push card ID. Type never. Okay. If. And I want another else if here. It just says if it's a contract, do the same thing. But this should have an action. It is redundant having just the card IDs. But let's take a look at the front end. Check our hand modal. Because we use card.id. The card comes from seem most resembling. Yeah, so I use the seasonal card meta. I don't know if I need. Yeah, because it's just card ID. Like, the meta information doesn't necessarily matter anymore because it's already attached to a image. We'll try it out. Why not? We'll grab all this. We'll go to contract Node UI. I want on close. I don't need the play card. Basically need all of this. I can use the same hand modal here for now. And I just really need an on-close and seasonal cards. Instead of seasonal cards, what I want instead hand modal. Close active card. Should have a attractive card. Set. Cool. So what I just did is I now have a way to access that array of active cards. And I don't want my seasonal cards. I want my active contracts and awards. Back to the front end. So that. Okay. Now, show active contracts and awards. Awards. Oh yeah. Now what I want to do, show my hand, play the award for 1 because it's the second month of the season. Pay for it. Pay. Didn't work. Crash. It did. Target player is not iterable. Oh, that's stupid. Little dingus. It's it's not target player. It is target player. Oh, what? That shouldn't have happened. Why did you activate card? Let's go through the... So, play card by ID. Play card by ID. Current card dot type is a ward. So I guess I want to log what card I have. I always do this. I have the console, and then I have that thing right there. Start the server back up. Let's try this again. Create a lobby. John Halo. John Halo. Start up. I want to show hand. Play an award for free. Play it. Hey, welcome, Autumn. Welcome to the stream. I'm turning my board game into code. That is what's going on. Alright, I guess I just didn't refresh the server. I didn't refresh the server. So I tried to play an award. That makes sense. Because right now this is functional again. That's sick. Action, which I might want to rename Trigger. Because the idea is to set up a trigger in case I have something that I need my thing to play. But if I show the active contracts and rewards, there we are. Winner recharges all batteries and gains a battery. Nice. Hell yeah. Love to hear it, Autumn. Ugh. I'm good. Doing well. Now, I will say I've noticed that people that are upfront very kind to me try to sell me channel art. If that's what you're here for, I am not interested. Otherwise, you're welcome to hang and learn how to code. ID number. This becomes this dot. Accessing a card in the class. Cool. That cleans it up just a little bit. Nah, Tuesdays and Thursdays. Otherwise, if I stream too much, it would interfere too much with my job. And I'll be streaming for another about half an hour here. And then I got things to do. ending. So I think for my, alright, let's figure out the awards first. So the timeline for turn order. This figures out if they are due. Loop my way around, and then want play action. Cool. This is a fun little function, splice. Removes an element from an array, and if necessary, inserts a new element. So at the index I, as I go left to right through my contract and award array, I will test to see if they have a trigger. Which means I think I need to start an action award. My card award. I don't think I'm wanting action anymore. This goes to summer. Let's see if I'm making a function called trigger. Player data, let's see. Maybe CF code. I want to import them. Common action. To import I'm already getting a get card, so it's going to look at I can activate card dot trigger. I might be able to pass in her card. I need to retrieve my card. Play card now. Should still cover it. redundant. Nice. Get code card. So this whole thing I just delete and just say this instead. Which means I can then use this, and then it will always trigger. So I can just say curcard.trigger. So the trigger doesn't need card ID. Card trigger doesn't need there we go. This dot cool. Activate card trigger only needs the game state and the card ID. Little gross. Cool. So now I activate the card's trigger. So all my awards need triggers now, which doesn't need the player's data. It just needs the game state. So I have my card selected. Right. I don't want card action. I want card export. Ooh, get card. That's what I need. So it's gotta look like this. In the timeline. This dot CA get card ID. Let card equal to this card ID. And I activate the card's trigger. This is okay logic-wise, but it's complaining that not all the words have. Player ID as well, or turn ID. A bit of a half-baked idea at this point. Ugh, fuck. That would be really nice. Adding a boolean to every single card that just says has target. Requires target. Recharges all batteries and drains the battery. That does not say track somebody. Take a battery from the neighbor. Yes. Simplify this down. And I have no like lingering effects, I think, for version 1. This game has like, I think the final count was 70, 70, 40, 20. So 200 cards total. I gotta code the logic for every single one of them. I'm probably a quarter of the way through, maybe less. Let's take a look. The words. Neighbor, true. Take a batter from the neighbor, needs a target. Kill, carbon from the ready for strength. True. Like flippy floppy. We're gonna make this easy. It's not gonna match the rules text. Player ID, target ID. Ugh, that's frustrating. So, P footprint. And this is the classic comp sci thing. P footprint equals P state dot carbon footprint. P state dot carbon footprint is going to be equal to 0, and then P state dot carbon footprint plus equals P footprint. And that will always work. There's no limit. Cool. What is this? What are you talking about? It always has type. I assign type to every single fucking card. I guess I could just make this part of these full. Like, it would be nice to have the definitions not split type incorporated into this, and that's getting a little gross. Starter separate random, no target. Factories does not require target, so I'm just going to go through this last file and we're going to call it. This is brutal. I guess we can add a game state. We'll add an array for triggers. Use a factory. It's false. Give a battery to the player on your right that doesn't get a target. And next season. So this will be. We're gonna have two. I'm just trying to figure out the best place to put triggers in. I might need to take some time to map this out again. There's one factory. Name and player of your choice. This requires a trigger. No. That's it. Reduced by 3. There's 2 batteries. One card. Season. Snowball. What up? Good to see you, Slider. Do that as you see. We're gonna get rid of any loosey-goosey language to make my thing easier. Here's the thing, man. I have a good friend who you decided to insult. Welcome back. Ugh. It's about that time. I'm gonna have to call it. I'm frustrated. This guy insulted a very good friend of mine and is upset that I'm not taking his side. It's all good. I'm calling it for the day, like I said. Have to call it at 2:30 to walk my pooch, so I'm gonna go take care of that now. Hope y'all enjoyed the stream. Lovely to see you. Peace.